Travel smartly and full of excellent reading. After becoming successfully a Gold Elite Plus Tire member in Al-Fursan Saudia Airlines, the frequent flyer needs 30 flights or 40,000 miles as tire credits during the next calendar year in the way to maintain this tire status. But what are the benefits of being a Gold Elite Plus Tire member in Al-Fursan? With all conditions and policies, this tire in Al-Fursan offers the following main benefits: priority in boarding and in call handling, rapid check-in and special attention to luggage as first-class passenger, access to lounges domestically and internationally, extra 50% rewards miles. Our reading from the literature via the digital channels of Al-Fursan and Saudia Airlines. Be a lifelong friend for the channel. This is SHADI. To the next XP, have a happy day.